Good morning, everyone. My name is Komal, and welcome back to my channel. I woke up a while ago and got freshened up. Today, I'm feeling super productive and starting my day with the same energy. First thing first, I started my day by making to-do list. By the way, I got this daily planner from Amazon a while back, but I haven't used it yet. It is really good and simple planner where you can write down your to-do list or schedule your day or write whatever is important for that day. Here I am doing mine, and especially planning vlogging days are so important for me. I take good 10-15 minutes to write down everything. Also, I enjoy this process a lot. I am done. Now let's start the day. I am starting my first session for the day. Today I've decided to go with polity in the morning itself. Usually I do current affairs at this point. It's almost 6:10 in the morning, and usually I don't set my timings for the study. I do not count how many hours I study actually. I am a morning person, so I do prefer studying in the morning itself. I take my time to complete the task I have decided that day. It may go beyond 6 hours or also less than that. But I try to complete all my targets for that day. Usually, I make my monthly, then weekly, and then daily plan as well. So, according to that, I have to start today with local government. I am reading this Panchayati Raj from M. Lakshmikant, and I'm going through it very thoroughly because I get very much confused at this point in this topic. Enough of my talking now, let's get to work. I have completed reading from the book now. I will see some videos relating to that topic to get a clear idea whatever I have read. I watched Siddharth Arora sir's video for polity from an academy channel from YouTube. He makes it so easy to understand the topic, and he makes me like my concepts and my doubts everything very clear so that I can build upon it my further topics. If he quotes any articles to read or any Supreme Court judgment or any report, then I go through it then and there itself, and I just complete it with that topic at there. I completed my first session of the day, and it was time to clean my room where I lie around for a whole day. But how is it possible without him? He is in full mood to play with me. See, this is how I just sit with him and have a conversation with him. I don't know if he understands it or not, but he feels good and listens to everything very keenly. I can spend my whole day just talking to him because he listens. We decided to go up and play for some time. It is almost 8 in the morning, and I'm starting with my second session for the day. Today, I have my university exam, so I need to revise a lot of topics which I read earlier. It's been very, very long that I have touched these books also. My paper timing is from 2 to 3 in the afternoon, so I have enough time to revise it. It's 10 in the morning, and yes, I have done with my second session as well. I'm having some moong khichdi for my breakfast. Actually, it is time for brunch. I was feeling down physically in the middle of the day, so my third session got delayed, but it's okay. I'll complete it now. I will do my current affairs from this YouTube video. Almost times I do it from Rahul sir's daily current affair series on an academy. He gives the important news from the Hindu and also from the Indian Express, so it becomes very easy for me also to do the both the newspapers at one place only. It was very windy and gloomy at the same time, and the sky looked at its best. Rainy season is the season of a craving this street foods, and I was craving for Maggie that day, so I made it and enjoyed it with my favorite show. After enjoying my snacks, I started the last session, that is fourth session for the day. It was almost 7:30 in the evening, and I am resuming my polity to complete the local government today itself. And the topic which I'm currently studying was municipalities. It is only 9 and I'm completed with my day. It feels so accomplished and fulfilled. It was one of my productive days. I I hope you like this video. If you did, then please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.